Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we will be working on Exp22 Excel Chapter 11 HOE Halloween. I will guide you step by step. You can easily understand the instructions and complete your assignment without any confusion. If you need any help with Blackboard, Cengage, MyLabIT assignments, quizzes, simulation exams, simulation training, or a complete course, you can contact me anytime on my WhatsApp and email. My contact details are available in the description and also shown on my laptop screen. I will provide you full support for accounting, finance, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, MS Access, mathematics, stats, economics, writing, computer science courses, programming languages like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, PHP, Python, C++, Java, and more programming languages, and website development using different frameworks and CMS like WordPress, Webflow, Wix, Framer, and other frameworks and CMS. You can also contact me for your complete course at very reasonable price with A plus grades guaranteed. Now let's start the today assessment and go through it step by step. Here is the title of assignment, Exp22 Excel Chapter 1 HOE Halloween. There is a project description. As you can see that now we will move to the question number 1. Question number 1 is start Excel, download and open the file named Exp22 Excel Chapter 1 HOE Halloween. Grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name. Basically, in this question, you will have to download the Excel workbook from MyITLab dashboard. I have already downloaded this file from MyITLab dashboard. Here is the file I have already downloaded. Now we will move to the question number 2. Question number 2 is the first column contains the first and last name of the score managers. To facilitate future sorting by last name, you want to display last name and then first name in the second column. In the cell B2 in the sort managers worksheet, type and this text. Use flash fill to complete the pattern down column B. In cell B2, type this text and use flash fill. Click on this flash fill. Question number 2 are completed. Now we will move to the next question. Question number 3. Question number 3 is the worksheet contain the complete addresses in the third column. You will separate the street addresses, cities, states, and postal codes into individual columns. Select the range C2 to C11 and convert the text column. Use the comma checkbox as the delimiter and deselect other delimiters. Change width of column C to 25 and the width of column D to 13. First we select the range C2 to C11. C2 to C11. Then go to the data tab. Then text to column. Question number 3 are completed now. Now we will move to the question number 4. Question number 4 is now you want to separate the state abbreviation and zip code. Select the range E2 to E11 and convert the text column. Deselect the comma delimiter and select the space delimiter. Do not import the first column in cell F1. Apply align right horizontal alignment. In the previous question, you will have to change the width of column 25 and the width of column D2 13. You will go to the view tab and then you will change the width and height of the columns. As we select this range, this one, the element, go to data tab, text to column. As you can see that the state and zip code are now separated. Question number 4 are completed. Now we will move to the next question, question number 5. In the previous question, question number 4, first you will have to select the cell and then apply the right horizontal alignment. You will go to the home tab and then click on the right alignment tab. Your text are on the right horizontal. Now we will move to the question number 5. Question number 5 is, the state managers worksheet contain a list of managers. You will combine the names using the text join function. Display the state managers worksheet in cell D2. Insert the text join function to combine the names in the range A2 to C2 using a space as a delimiter and ignore empty cells. Copy the function to the range D3 to D5. Then combined name column, you will have to insert a function text join. Then copy the function and drag this function to the last of the range. Question number 5 are completed. Now we will move to the question number 6. Question number 6 is, to improve the readability for the names, you will convert the text to upper and lowercase. In cell E2, insert the proper function for the text contained in cell D2. Copy the function to the range E3 to E5. In cell E2, we have write a function proper. Simply copy this function to the last of the range E5. Question number 6 are completed. Now we will move to the next question, question number 7. Question number 7 is, you want to extract the area code for the from the phone number in cell H2. Insert the left function to extract the first 3 numbers in cell G2. Copy the function to the range H3 to H5 range. We have write a function left and G2 are the phone numbers, first 3 characters. Area code are now displayed in this cell. Question number 7 are completed. Now we will move to the question number 8. Question number 8 is, you will use the database worksheet for the next several steps. You will set up the criteria and the output range is, enter the criteria and then apply the filter. Display the database worksheet, copy the range A2 to E2 and use the keep source column width paste option to paste the headings in cell G2. Paste another copy of the headings starting in cell G9 in cell I3. Type UT in cell J3. Type the state in cell C2. Display the advanced filter dialog box. After applying the setting to copy the records to another location using the database in the range A2 to E52. Select the range G2 to K3 as the criteria range and select the range G9 to K9 as the copy to range. First, you will have to copy the range A2 to E2 and then use the keep source column widths paste option to paste the headings in cell G2. Select this range, copy this range and then paste into this cell G2. In cell I3, you will have to type UT and J3 type in I3 you will have to type UT and in cell J3 you will have to type the state. In cell C2 display the advanced filter dialog box, apply setting, copy the records to another location. Then click on advanced filter, list the range and copy to another location. And select the range Question number 8 are completed. Now we will move to the question number 9. Question number 9 is Question number 9 is you want to calculate the total sales for the odd stores for the week ending 11 to 2024 and sell and to insert the sum function of the range A2 to E52 type gross sales for the field and use the range G2 to K3 as the criteria. Use the function dsum, then select this range. Type gross sales and for the field use the range G3 to K3, G3 to K3. As you can see that the total sales are calculated now. We will move to the question number 10. Question number 10 is next you want to calculate the average sales for the oat store for the ending week ending 11/12/2024 in cell N3. Insert the d average function using the same arguments that you used for the dsum function in step 9 equals to the average function. Select the range A2 to E52, then type a gross value. As you can see that the average are calculated now. Now move to the next question, question number 11. Number 11 is we will use a dmax function to calculate the highest sales in the given record. Then gross sales. Now we will move to the question number 12. Question number 12 is next you will identify the lowest gross sales for the oat store for the week ending 11 to 2024 in cell N5. Insert the dmin function using the same arguments that you used for the dsum function in step 9. Same, you will have to use dmin function. We have now completed 12 questions of this assessment. If you need any help with the remaining questions or want me to handle your complete course, you can contact me anytime on my WhatsApp and email. My contact details are available in the description and also shown on my laptop screen. I will provide you full support for accounting, finance, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, MS Access, and many more online courses. I have successfully handled courses for the student from Canada, USA, and many other countries. I have handled courses like MyLabIT, MyLab Finance, MyLab Accounting, and many more online courses. If you need any help with this task, feel free to reach out me. You can also contact me for your complete course at very reasonable price with A+ grades guaranteed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel.